No change equal no change. No change equal no change. So if you're not happy in one area of your life, like maybe lack of money, lack of love, lack of health, then you need to change something. It could be you need to change the way you think, the way you believe, the way you act. You need to change your mindset. You need to change something. Because, and one thing I need to point out is all the changes, every change starts from within. It's not anybody else who has the power to affect your life. You have the power to change. You have the power to create your own reality the way you want it to be. So on April 29th, this year, I'm going to do a workshop. And it's all about prosperity, all about abundance. And what we're going to do there, we're going to learn how to, first of all, learn about limiting beliefs, what's stopping us. We're going to learn how to communicate the language, the proper language, to talk to our subconscious mind and to talk to the universe so we can attract and manifest what we want. We're going to learn about some of the universal laws. It's going to help you to manifest what you want faster. In the afternoon, later in the day, we're going to show you, we're going to give you some tools, an actual exercise that you're going to do there that's going to help you again to create what you want. Right there on the spot, you're going to do this. And the next day, you're going to be able to do the same exercise day after day, day after day, day in and day out, so you can manifest what you want faster. Look, the price is $4.99. $4.99. Lunch is included from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. You're listening to this right now. If you write that down, write the word focus somewhere. Go on Eventbrite. I'm going to put the link in the description, and you're going to save $200. If you're still listening to me, that means you're interested. That means you're not listening to me by chance. It's all about attraction, right? That means you need to be there. So focus is the word. The passcode is focus. Go there, register now, and I'll see you on April 29, where we're going to make sure that we have a plan and we know what to do to create and attract what we really, 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 really want. Talk to you later.